Hey guys, welcome back to my crusty YouTube channel. Anyways, so today is gonna be another ASMR video because like why not, bitch? Why not? Why not? Anyways, so we're here in my crusty kitchen. Shut up. It's currently 5:30. Why am I still up? You may ask. Bitch, it's because I can. Bitch, you cannot. You cannot. Oh my god, I'm gonna break something. Anyways, so, I don't know, bitch, I'm gonna fucking make it. I'm gonna make pancakes.
Ew, that's disgusting!
So I'm fat. I'm literally so fat. I'm so hungry too, and like I haven't eaten anything all day. Yeah, so I'm gonna eat food, so come with me. You guys have no free will, so you're gonna come watch me shove a lot of food up my mouth.
I can't go to Taco Bell. I'm on an all-carb diet. God, Karen, you are so stupid.
Also, I'm using whatever the fuck this is. Apparently it's, what this is? What does it say? Oranges, buttermilk, pancakes. I'm using this mix. Okay, so here's what I have. I have blueberries. This thing, giraffe milk. Actually, no, this is butter. And, this hoe. I need a bowl. Fuck. Bitch, we have no plates. Bitch, we have no plates. Hold up. Oh, how the fuck am I gonna make blueberry pancakes? Oh, Greeley's, what are you doing in my... What were you doing in my, dishwasher? The fuck? No, ma'am. No, ma'am, you're canceled. Anyways, I did find a bowl, though. Bitch. No, ma'am. I don't have corona, okay? Shut up. Okay, time to show you guys how to make blueberry pancakes. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take this. I don't know, just open it. Bitch, it's already open. And you're just gonna... Anyways, so you're gonna stir her. This is what she looks like. Oh my god, look at that. Oh, yes. Yes, ma'am. And then, what I like to do is, I like to put water because, bitch, you're supposed to be putting water. I'm not gonna use fucking crusty ass tap water because like stupid ugly. Tap water is ugly. Bitch, hurry up. I'm fucking hungry. Bitch, it's spilling. Oh my god, it's so don't. Number 2 is add mix. Wait, hold up. You're gonna take a fork, not your whisk. Bitch, I should have brought my whisk. You guys remember that whisk? That like whisk that like went like this wonky thing. You're gonna take your whisk. Yeah, that's right, your whisk. Yeah, I should have bought it. Anyways, so I don't have it here. I actually like threw it away. Sad. Anyways, what the fuck? Okay, so while I'm stirring, I'm gonna explain why I'm like talking super quietly. It's because bitch, there's people who are sleeping. People are sleeping, they're having a great time while I'm here getting fat and fucking eating all this. No fat shaming though. Only I am, yeah. Okay? Bitch, why does it look like that? Why does it look like that? What is that? Oh my god, no ma'am, no ma'am. Calm down. Bitch, I'm adding more. Adding more to the recipe. Okay, bitch, that's enough. That's enough chaos. That's enough drama for today. Oh my god, what is going on here? No ma'am.
You crusty hippo.
Okay, guys, time to. Oh my god. Stir. What the fuck is that? What the fuck? I gotta wear my crusty nose. Oh my god, why does it smell like booty?
Ew, it smells like booty. Ew.
Okay, no need to panic. I said no. Anyways, bitch, stir. All done. Yay. Bitch, it's time to add the blueberries. Oh my god, bitch. But first, we have to wash these hoes. Okay, girlies, it's time to add the blueberry. Girlies, look how magical this is. Blueberries, bitch, we love blueberries. We love her. Okay, anyways, enough blueberries, bitch. Stir. Yes, ma'am, purr. I wonder what this tastes like. Don't do that. No. Okay, so you're gonna take your big fat and you're gonna cut from here. Oh, yeah. So you're gonna take whatever fuck you just cut and you're just gonna Girly, don't give me attitude. No, ma'am. Hey guys, next step is to, bitch, don't forget about this. And then, bitch, you're gonna like stir that hoe. So we're gonna go ahead and just pour this hoe. And do that. Bitch, you just said a bad word. Oh my god, you guys, look. Pancakes. And it's like not burning, oddly. Whoa. It's still 5 o'clock in the morning though. Oh, it still smells like dog doo-doo, but like cooked. Ew. Oh no, my pancakes is on fire. Ah! I don't know what to do. Ah! Time to flip this pancake and to put more pancake mix. Yuck. Okay, here's me waiting for my pancakes to get cooked. La da da, just waiting. Oh my god, why does it look like that? Ah! Ew, it looks mushy gushy. So it's stuck on a frying pan, so now I'm trying to get it out with butter. Turny, turny, turny. It's still stuck. Oh my god, you guys, look at it. It's in one big clump. Ew. What to do? Shaky, shaky. Oh. Yeah, now. And we're just gonna leave it at that. Still looking like a baddie, though. A baddie who just made pancakes. Yeah. Oh my god. Shut the fuck up. Be quiet. I think I'm on crack. You know what? Honestly, at this point, who is surprised? And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, boys and cats, girlies, gays and bays. I don't know. You have made pancakes. You have made pancakes at 6:22. Shh. Today,
it will be partly cloudy, with a forecasted high of -1 and a low of -4. Due to current wind conditions, it feels like it's -11. The weather I've sent the directions to your phone. Sorry, it looks like it's over right now. Yesterday's news. But then the
Bitch, shut the fuck up. No, yeah, you're done. Cancel. It's not the vibe. Stop! Okay, we're back. And it's time to taste test what the fuck we just made. Oh my god, girlies, look how... I'm not excited, but you know what? It's whatever. Okay, taste test. I don't even know what the fuck that I just made, but like, we're gonna eat it because we're fat. Well, that was something. That was something. Yeah, that was something. Now, if you guys enjoyed that, if you guys enjoyed what the fuck I just made, please give me a like, subscribe, I don't know, follow me, stalk me on my Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat, Tinder, OnlyFans, Wikipedia. I don't know, come to my house and freaking stalk me. Actually, don't. Because if you do, if you come and find me and you find out where I live, I will hunt you down, I will sue, and I'll snatch your fucking weed. I'm probably gonna do more videos like this because, like, I don't know why, but I just really like doing random shit because, like, bitch, who doesn't? Hello? Oh no, I think I woke up someone. Anyways, bye. That's actually pretty good.